Hey guys, welcome. It's Julio and Darian here with DNC Marketing. If you're looking at her face, it's because she just farted. So we want to talk about how to use branding to actually save your business. Let's get into it.
I didn't fart, for the record.
I'm not showing them any of this. Okay, so Darian, why don't you give us a breakdown on how branding is going to save my business?
Okay, so the big question everybody comes to us with is, how do I get my brand out there? How do I stand out? Well, a big part of that is understanding who it is you serve and what message they're looking for. So if you know who it is you serve, if you've followed our PDA method, personality, demographic, avatar, and you've done the research to know not just what your demographic is, but what the psychographics are behind your customers, what they're actually looking for, what they need desperately from you, you can craft a message that communicates that. Now that could be a physical need, an emotional need. It could be a very common background story that everybody identifies with and resonates with. Basically, what you need to do is get across how you can help them, how you can essentially change their life in some situations, in some brands. If you don't know how to do that, you're not going to be able to stand out in a crowd of whatever your product or your service is. Everything is saturated at this point. So if you haven't done this foundational work, if you haven't done the competition research to see how you're different, if you haven't done the model or target market research to see how you can position your business in a different way that is just as good, if not better, than those other bigger brands out there, and if you haven't started putting the work, money, time, and effort into validating, testing your market, and knowing what it is that you offer and positioning it properly, then you're not going to be able to save your business. You're not going to be able to build a brand that is going to stand out and actually make you money and make your dreams come true.
Now, one thing I want to make sure I mention is that when we say to be unique or to stand out, we're not saying that you have to be one of a billion, right? I mean, there are going to be, unless it's some crazy thing that you do, there's going to be many people that do what you do. I mean, as an example with us, right? We're marketers. There's 1.5 million of us. You throw a hat and you're going to hit somebody that's an internet marketer. But but the idea is that we have differentiated ourselves in many different capacities. We're a couple. We're an interracial couple at that. We live here in Hawaii. Like, it's just you yourself differentiate yourself. Of course, we have our DNC Marketing Personality Sales System, the PDA method, et cetera, that does allow us to have a much more specialized understanding in the market. But my point to it is the same. It's not just about having something that is so unique that no one's ever heard of, because if that's the case, very few people are going to be in business, and you're probably racking your brain thinking, how am I unique? And the real answer is that you're unique because you are you.
Right.
You have your own experiences, you have your own analogies, you have things that maybe your parents say that now you say, but that no one else has ever heard. For example, one that I always use, what were you going to say?
I was going to say, why is that important? Is because what we're doing is creating content that is edutainment, educating your target market while entertaining them. And so you, being you, are going to catch a certain aspect of the market because they like you.
Right. And what I was going to say is that my dad uses one that says, you know what really burns my ass? I'm about a flame this high.
Or a flame about this.
Yeah. So the point to it is that some of you have heard of that, some of you aren't. Some of you are listening to it and going, oh my God, I would totally love to use that next time I'm at work. That's how you differentiate yourself. You have different experiences in life, in business, in love, whatever it is. Your followers, your friends, your fans, your stans, whatever you want to say, they want to know about you. So please share that.
And another way you can think about this is...
Darian, we have to wrap up.
I know, but I want them to know this. You have to be working toward it to better understand that positioning as well. It took us years to figure out exactly how we can differentiate ourselves. And during that time, we experimented a lot. And that's what you have to do in business. This is a journey. This is a marathon, not a sprint. So you need to surround yourself with help and support and keep moving forward and keep asking questions.
Yeah, because as your business grows, that's just all part of experimenting. Think of your business as a person, right? The experimentation part is just like college. Sometimes you got to experiment.
No.
Okay. Well, that's it. Have a good one. Check out dncmarketing.org/B, these are the letters, BBB Masterclass. And
join the Building a Better Brand Masterclass now.
Okay. Bye-bye.